Now then, if you go to your iTunes, we've got here, I'll turn this down. At the bottom there you see sync. If you don't see sync at the bottom, just click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles. You see there, tick by iPhone, make sure sync's ticked. We'll click on here, then we go to auxiliary. Click auxiliary, and you've got the Bluetooth audio device. That's this. It's showing one of these mornings Moby, one of these mornings Moby. If it's not showing the track that's playing on your iPhone, if you click auxiliary again, you see there, play music from device. That's line in, so that corresponds to this line in socket there. If you click it again, USB, please insert USB device. USB, that's the device there. So it's going to take you possibly up to 3 presses of the auxiliary. Now then, if I turn this up, turn it up there, still not playing because it's turned down on my phone, but the sound system in this is ideal for anybody really. It's really good. Simple system to use, probably one of the best and easiest. Really, really good.